Hi, Clelia. We should talk about the upcoming Milan trip with the team. I think there's a few things left to do. Off the top of my head, would you mind sending over the locations in Milan that make sense for us to book hotels?
Yeah, sure. I can research some locations maybe later, and I can send them over to you on Slack.
Yep, sounds good. And do you think we can already tell the team that they can all start booking their flights this week?
Yes, I think they can. And maybe we should also think about someone that knows about restaurants in Milan or something.
Maybe Pierre can help with that, and he can book, I think, 3 restaurants for the 3 evenings that will all be there.
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right, I think we're done. See you soon. See you in Milan.
See you in Milan. Bye.
Bye.